Hello there, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a brief video of this car for you. Just come into part exchange, really nice car. It's a 90 D250 HSE X-Dynamic Defender. So we're finishing the premium paint, which is Carpathian Grey. We've got the black pack on the car, which is your black checkered plating. We've also got all the black lettering, the gloss black finishes down on here and down on the sides as well, and in the mirror housing, LED headlights which are auto high beam assist on there as well for you, and the side atlas vents and mirror caps are also finished in the gloss black as well. Also have the satin grey wheels on the car, which are a 20-inch alloy wheel, again with the black pack being well looked after by its previous keeper, because we've got classic mud flaps front and rear, and we also have the dealer fit accessory of the gloss black fixed side step. Just coming around to the rear of the car, you'll notice that we've got the privacy glass, and we've also got the skylight, bit of a nod to the old Defender in the Series 1. The car is a fully approved car, so it will come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years currently if you are financing through Land Rover. Just on the rear, nice little accessory of the rear spoiler on there for you as well. And then if we just come into the rear, this is your standard boot space, obviously 90, so it is the short wheelbase. These will just fold down as well, just by a push of the button and push forward, just so you can see. And they will go down on there for you, so you have got more room as well. Just coming round to the side of the car, again fully approved car, so you shouldn't find any scuffs, scrapes, certainly no damage to the alloy wheels. If I just jump into the passenger front, you'll notice that we've got electric seats for the passenger and the driver. That is also a memory function as well. With it being the HSE, we have the nice leather finish on the cross beam as well. If I just come round to the driver's side, the exact miles on this car is 17,292, sorry. So low mileage for the year of the car. Features within the car, we've got the nice, if I just push this back further, we've got a nice sliding panoramic roof. That is not a standard feature even on HSE, it is an option. And then down on here, we've got your dual zone climate control, and we've got your heated seats on there for you, and your cooling seats on there for you as well. That's for the driver and the passenger. All your four-wheel drive systems are found on here. Then you've got all your sat nav, your phone and your media, and if I push this on here, you'll see we've also got wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Additional storage in the center as well. Full interactive driver display on this car, and it comes with adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and a heated steering wheel as well. And lastly, the little yellow dot, if you can see it on the wing mirror there, means it has got blind spot monitor as well. So really brief, however a lot of features on this car. Really nice engine, with it being the D250, because that is a straight 6 diesel engine. You can reserve this car for just £99, and we can look into part exchanges or look at the finance options for you. Alternatively, also you can have a test drive of this car. Really recommend that. It's a really nice engine, drives really well. If you want to do that, my name's Chris, and the number to call is 01642 644 444.